Hey guys, so today we're going to find the equation of a parabola given its graph, and this is our first example. It's going to be a basic one, so let's see what we can do here. Alright, so we've got an origin at HK, well, we've got a vertex at the origin, I should say. We always have an origin. So HK is 0, 0. We could start with that because we know that that's going to have something to do with our equation. And also, I would first find out what type of equation we're going to have to find. So, well, we know that y equals x squared in this case because it's opening up. So that's going to be our basic form. And then if we stretch it out a little and get it to where we can find out the focus and stuff, it's going to be y equals ax minus h squared plus k. So this is the form that we're going to have to get it into eventually. And then, well, we already know h and k because it's at the origin. It's just 0, 0. So we can simplify this form to y equals a times x minus 0 squared plus k plus 0 plus 0, if I can write. So, and that simplifies to just y equals a times x squared plus nothing. So just ax squared. Then how do we find a? Well, we can see here we've got a focus. This point is 0, 1/2. Then we've got a directrix at the line y equals negative 1/2. So this tells us that we're going to have, we know that a equals 1 over 4p. So to figure out what a equals, we need to use our p-value. And as you know, p is just the distance between the center and the directrix. And also, it's the same distance between the focus and the center. And in this case, we went from 0 to 0 to 0, 1/2. And we went from y equals 0 to y equals negative 1/2. So we can tell our p-value is going to be 1/2. So we're going to have a equals 1 times 4 times p, which we figured out was 1/2. That's just going to give us 1 over 2. So a equals 1 over 2. We can plug that into our formula here. We'll get y equals 1/2 x squared, and that'll be our answer. So we went from a graph to an equation, just like that. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was able to help.